Hey guys, Mr. Stair coming here for you on Tuesday, April 14th. And here is the assignment for today. All I want you to do is go to the discussions page for the Canvas. And we haven't done a discussion yet for this semester. Maybe you did one with a previous teacher first semester. But all I want you to do is just to go around taking a picture of some certain three-dimensional objects. We're going to be getting to a unit where we're doing three-dimensional objects. And all I want you to do is to go around and take pictures of 5 different things. All right? And those are broken down in the discussion, right? So there's 5 different discussions. All I'm asking you to do is post a picture, not even an explanation with it. The first one that I want you to do, and again, maybe it's not in this order here, is all I want you to do is to find a cylinder, right? So find a cylinder, take a picture of it. Okay, you can see a cylinder. It has a circle on top and on bottom, and then it goes around the edge to connect it. So we're just looking at a cylinder here, all right? Another shape that I want you to take is a sphere, right? So you can just look at it here, just a sphere. You know, this is just some kind of art thing that my boys do some art with. And so there you go. Next one is a prism. Now, there's many different kinds of prisms here. So, right, just a standard Kleenex box. You know, you can think about what kind of prism this would be. A prism is the same shape on top and bottom, and then it just has a bunch of rectangles, okay? So this is actually called a rectangular prism because the shape on top and bottom, just a rectangle, all right? You can see a triangular prism. You could see a hexagonal prism, right? Probably most commonly you guys would see a rectangular prism, all right? So that's the third shape, a rectangular prism. All right. This one, these next two are a little bit more difficult to find. If you can actually find a specific one, that's great. Post a picture. But I would even be fine if you had something like this, right? This is what I would call a pyramid. Now, I know that it's right here, it's coming off, but you can see that there's some type of a slant to it, right? So if I hold it sideways, okay, or even like this, you don't want to see the inside of my trash can, but you can see it like this, you can see there's some type of a slant to it, right? So if I'm thinking about if this right here, be careful here not to dump everything out, but if this right here would be considered the top of the pyramid, obviously it's not coming to a point, but that's where it would be specifically a pyramid. The bottom of that pyramid is where we give it a shape, right? So we could say it's a rectangular pyramid. You could even be more specific if this is a square pyramid. You can see a triangular pyramid, all of those kind of things here. But nonetheless, a pyramid is one that has a shape on the bottom, and it just has essentially triangles going up to the point. All right? The last of the 5 shapes I want you to do is a cone. Okay, now again, the same thing with the pyramid. This one might be a little bit hard to find. You can see that this right here is a cone. It has a circle, okay, on it. If I would extend it, it would be going to, it would be going to a point right here. So that's what the definition of a cone has, is a circle base, but then it's going to a point. Again, for a pyramid or a prism, it might be hard to find some household objects. If you could find something like I showed you a trash can and a part of a lamp, that would be completely acceptable. I would completely accept that. So that's your assignment for today. We're going to be exploring different parts of these objects, and it would be great if you could keep those handy, but I understand maybe if you're finding one of the shapes in your pantry, and then for some reason that's part of dinner that night or the next couple of days, that makes complete sense. But see if you can find something that you know that you'll be able to keep around for these next couple of days, because there might be a chance we come back to those specific pictures that you're taking and you have to do some more work with it, right? So that might be less work to keep that than instead of keeping going back to it. All right? So that is going to be your assignment for Tuesday. Just take 5 quick pictures, upload them there to the discussions page, and we hope to give you some more information soon. Hope everybody is safe and well, and I will talk to you again soon.